Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you became an AI engineer in just 6 months. Whether you are from IT or non-IT background, I'll explain step by step with example, simple real life examples like different terms which you feel easy to understand. So let's get dive in. Step 1, understand what AI engineering is. AI engineering is about creating systems that learn and make decisions automatically. For example, self-driving car. A car uses cameras and sensors to detect obstacles, traffic signs, and pedestrians. It learns from thousands of driving out to make decisions safely. Example 2. Daily life grocery shopping. AI can predict which products like milk and bread you might buy next week based on your past purchases. IT background example. If you have worked in system administration or networking, you already know logic and what is system. So AI is just applying that to automate decisions. For non-IT examples, if you are making a marketing or business, think of AI as teaching a system to automatically group customers by their performance or buying habits. Step 2. Learn Python and basic math. Python is the main language for AI. Start with variable, loops, function, and lists. Math basics are linear algebra, including vectors and matrix, probability and statistics. For example, predict how many breads or bottles of milk you will have next week using past purchase data. Example 2, calculate the probability of server failing based on past errors. For non-IT, think of Python as a super smart calculator that can help you automate repetitive tasks. Step 3, learn data handling using pandas and numpy. AI is all about data. Pandas and NumPy help you organize a dataset. Example, you have a dataset of 1000 grocery receipts. You can find trends like how often milk is bought with bread, which day of the week people buy more snack. Example 2, analyze network log to detect pattern or anomalies. Next example, people can manage data like advanced Excel sheet, making insight much easier. Step 4, learn machine learning basic. Machine learning lets computer learn pattern from data. There are two types of learning, supervised learning and unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, predict outcomes from labeled data. Example, predict if you need 2 or 3 bottles of milk next week. Unsupervised learning, group data automatically. For example, group customer who buy milk, bread and egg together. Daily life example. Let's talk about self-driving car. The car learns which obstacles and dangers are previously held and which are not, road sign or trees. Predict which server might fail next based on past logs. And another example is organize your shopping list automatically based on your past trends. Step 5, hand-on project. Start small projects. Number 1, predict weekly demand for milk and bread using regression. Step 2, classify image of cat versus dogs. Step 3, sentiment analysis on product reviews. For example, build a chatbot that answers frequently asked questions in your company. Or you can build a recommendation system for movies, groceries or recipes. Projects show recruiter skill, practical experience matter more than just certificates. Step 6, learn deep learning and neural networks. Deep learning uses neural networks to learn complex patterns. For example, detect whether a loaf of bread is fresh or still using image of the bread we can analyze. For self-driving car, learn to recognize pedestrian versus bike versus cat in real time. For another example, automate image classification for hardware fault. Next example is create a model that can detect handwritten grocery note or shopping list. Step 7, learn data visualization. Visualization helps understand AI results using Matplotlib, Seaborn or Tableau. For example, show a graph of milk versus bread purchased over month. In example 2, visualize server uptime or error frequency trend. In example 3,
self-driving cars. So sensor data like speed versus distance from obstacle. Step 8. Learn AI tools and cloud platforms. AI platforms let you train and deploy models online using TensorFlow, PyTorch, Google Cloud AI, AWS, SageMaker, visualization with Tableau or Power BI. You can deploy your grocery prediction model online so your family can see weekly shopping suggestions automatically. Step 9. Portfolio and GitHub. Upload your projects to GitHub. Python script, Jupyter Notebooks, screenshots. For example, grocery predictor for milk and bread, movie recommendation system, handwriting note recognizer. This is how other include recruiter can see the skills. In step 10, continuous learning and fun projects. Like AI is always evolving, keep learning with experimenting. So there are various predictions that you can use for your real life examples, like predict your own weekly grocery needs, build a tiny self-driving car simulation in Python, track your exercise or sleep pattern and pattern trends. So what's that, the AI? Here you got a full roadmap to becoming an AI engineer in 6 months, explaining with everyday examples like milk, bread and self-driving cars. If you found this helpful, like, comment your questions and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials and career tips. See you in the next video. Thank you.